Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's a game changer for salon owners and stylists. We're diving into custom-made hair systems, those top-tier services that wow your high-end clients. Stick around to master measuring for that perfect fit every time. Picture this, your salon's buzzing and clients are loving the personalized touch. We're talking about custom fits, from the curve of their head right down to their preferred hair swirl. It all starts with getting those measurements spot on. So, you've got your template and hairpiece from us, right? Now, here's where many folks trip up. They measure straight off, thinking it's all good. But nope, that can lead to a base size mix-up because of how toupees are crafted. Let me show you the right way. Here's the deal. Lay that hair system flat on a table. Line up the template edge with the system's front line, not the excess base that's actually there to help with fitting and styling. That bit gets trimmed later, so focus on the real deal hairline. Smooth out the base gently to ditch any wrinkles. But hey, don't pull a Hulk on it. These bases, especially the PU ones, have some give. We're aiming for accurate, not altered measurements. And boom, you're all set. That's how you nail the size for a custom-made toupee with a template. Simple, right? Thanks for hanging out with us today. Got questions or need a hand? Just drop us a line. And if you're digging our tips, smash that follow button and hit like it helps us big time. Here's to making your salon the talk of the town with custom hair systems. Catch you next time.